Why? So why she a gang so? When look there. She fi share one little side for me see the whole like a broadness. Something that she have a galang fi. No sir. Lighter. Baby. Me there, me see. Me see it. Me see the cheeky. Got you. What's up YouTube? It's your boy. Wait, no, why am I saying I lose a reaction? What's up YouTube? It's the reaction boss and I'm back in effect. You see me? Reaction boss back in effect, you know people. And right now we have TeeJay, Unfaithful Games. Me one song was Unfaithful Games play twice. And remember that song there? But anyways, once what TeeJay deal with. I was a while ago there, I come from work, brother, and there I made TeeJay song. Met TeeJay song name from rocks to nothing, dog. And me I say, yo, like I change the you see anytime I start the video, when you hear the DJ push it. I think I'm gonna change it to rags to nothing, brother. I do for that video because I don't know say that song is a talk about me. But anyway, not talk about that. We are trying 10,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel and let's say 10,000 subscribers before the year done. TeeJay, Unfaithful Game. This is what I got pretty from day one. Got you. Wait, baby, what go on? She say she call me. Yo, baby, what go on? Pum still warm. Yeah, man. You know what I say? I want to hurt out the bell tonight, but she not talk to me. Why you look? You freeze? Hello? She stuck. Alright, make see what go on. She stuck. Got you.
You have reached the voicemail box, Harry.
She reached voicemail box and I said the box no girl, you look hurt. She reached the voicemail box, brother. You reached the voicemail box off. Oh no, I did not just call this guy's phone and get the voicemail box. No, but hurt me now feelings. I got send a long 1 minute voice note. Look at dirty bag of boy Tyrekevlogs. You know, see me I try call a dirty piece of one. You see me? That she said, but got you. TeeJay Unfaithful Games. Why? So why she a gang so? When look there. She fi share one little side for me see the whole like a broadness. Something that she have a galang fi. No sir. Lighter. Baby. Me there, me see. Me see it. Me see the cheeky. Got you. Because here, I'm going to things here, squash at a while ago, the dog, the man here, you know, that squash most recent video I react to there. This man have him here mad up and beer something I go on, dog. No! Hey, run tune. I'm telling you this from now, TeeJay. You can't have them good body sexy girl in your bedroom and not get attention she need. You can't have them good body sexy girl in your room, dog, and she have to call you, dog, and you not answer. You see me, I say, I will sing more song. Somebody sing one song, and I want song. I want me see it, you know. Yeah, cheat. You can't cheat somebody ugly than your woman, dog. No. Never in a million years. But go through, we don't chat too much. Go on.
Yeah. So she can't bother with love, it hurt. So you never she choose this, yeah, this choose.
Every single girl ever. Every girl ever. Like, you know when you used to go to high school, brother? Yo, me and your working when you used to go to high school in a dog, right? You got trees and you look two girls in a dog. You know me I say, right? You look two girls. I must say, you only give up on relationship. I can't bother with man. Because them go through so much man. No, why? Don't really why, but them go through so much man, dog, and the man them just hurt them, dog. And now me as the man I look she now, no say look a pum pum want and thing, you know. I talk about school, long time something, they want to do them something again. I know say look a pum pum want now, you know. You see me as I say, yeah, for real, I know say no, most one boy mess up and meds and everything, though, never treat her good. You try to sweet her, she understand and know, say, yo, yeah, say me I treat her better than that, man. I know why man say so. When them talk to you and mash up your heart now, me get the blame, me get the bad side because you not go and experience and say if me are the right person for you. But then if it does go out the one more time. The lyrics say me Bomba. Alright, run tune. Don't know say I fax me attack. Alright, run tune.
Say she woulda fuck for you, make you feel how it feel, cause she
They pick me up tonight. Up top, baby. Ready at by what? Oh, see it there? She gonna give man, she give a man bun. Because him not get attention, so she check the next, check her next man right now. And see, some man have car though. You show some have a camera for the rental go pick you up in. Man, not be a big girl. You look too good for him. You did me? Tell them to cut him off him. I joke man, make you big up yourself, bro. God. Right, John.
That's what you deserve. Yeah. But take your time, no darling. You don't have to call him.
Where TeeJay come from? Oh, TeeJay, what you feel like? How you come and sing to my woman them for? I mean, I don't sing to my girls them in the bro God. Oh, take your time, my darling. And I make up your face and scratch up your face like you're a pretty boy. Ah, let me tell you this. Bubble like body for the up top boss. Bad man in a youth. And them something hard. They come and scratch up your face and try to look cute for the girls. TeeJay, man, you know that. What are you not doing? Man, you know TeeJay. I'm scratching your face to look good for the girls them. You know easy. But yes, I watch me see everything. Me no blind. Run tune.
Come on, my fucker, right now, right now, right now, right now, in the morning.
Baba not, yeah, youth. Yeah, youth. Just a little, no, why me I go on so why me I pass the thing so much that. But it does the lyrics there that I forgot put this for my intro song now. Come with me, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, in the morning.
Scream for my name and call it.
Yeah.
Love you when you're falling.
Yeah.
Come on, my fucker, right
No,
now.
right, no, right.
Morning, girl.
You know, so some girls are watching me, you know, like a reaction boss, you know, but guess what? I'm taking. I have a browning. When you see her in the vlogs, if you don't know my girl, you can go watch the vlogs them. Sing about it, you know. Unfaithful games. I mess with it. Alright, I mess with it. See that what? See me woman here. See her there? LA vacation. Romantic lunch date with babe. Bomba, what body, man? Oh, yeah, me if you react to that video, goal God. Eat next a drop. Run tune!
Come roll with a real J.
Yeah.
Girl, a pretty bad look like a Riri.
Yeah.
You know watch pussy, no beers, and me tell her the truth, or you want me TV.
Wow, me know what put. Hold on. Go back little bit to me to hear the man say good.
Real J. Girl, a pretty bad look like a Riri.
Yeah.
Me no watch pussy, no beers, and me tell her the truth, or you want me TV.
Watch your pums boy them. A sheep be my TV dog, me there so build back dog, probably I roll up on big head dog and show myself wind up a little sexy body dog and me say, yeah. When I leave the TV, brother. You did me I say, if you trust a girl like me, say no, if you watch your pums and call her was why you there? How you not text? Waste man argument them the youth. And then they go box on a girl because a girl not talk to you. And you go kick up a girl. Yeah, eat that brother, when a kick girl, when a slap girl, when a beat girl, you would have done them something brother. You did me? Calm down yourself, you. Got you.
Yeah. Love and a skinny tongue wine. Give me not the outside, you give me outside. Why every time we fuck you, what turn off feel like? Girl, you pretty.
No, dog, you can't. Don't ring if you turn off the light, dog. But me not like me like do it in the dark, you know. I like it in the dark. But the man say I like it when she skin it out wide. You did me? I say make she feel everything. You go, like a thump. Kids do not watch this video. Alright. I don't talk. Youth! Virgins, I'm sorry. Burn up if you're a virgin. No virgin around here. Burn up. Baby. Babe. You called me in the middle of a reaction. Oh, damn.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Why you should just be back?
Shit, stop. Fuck. I want to start. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Shit. The screen recording. Yo! Sorry about that, people. It could intimation go on a while ago. You see me, I say, baby call me a while ago and say, yo, why you not text me back? But anyways, run back little night tune. Ready?
Don't hide, but take your time, no darling. You don't have to call him.
Yeah?
Come on, my fucker, right now,
right now, in the morning. I was going a while ago. I wet she wet up. I think I watched she went up a while ago now, but I know when she went up on the screen. I sure think I watched she went up a while ago, dog. I make her say, wow. Anyways, run through. I edit them edit. I sure think I went mama went up a while ago, dog. Run through. Yeah.
Come and me fuck you right
No, right, no. Song bad. I saw him a go on bad. Hold on there. I fight them a fight or I play them a play. Me friend now, I fight them a fight or I play them a play. Come here and say, what go on a while ago in the dark. Anyways, me straight me I say, man look at me and say, weird. Then me see her makeup on the pillar. That's why I don't like rush through the video. But I don't know, say my video too long right now. I know so I don't like watch long video. That's why I go through and the pre exciting part. But me run through. Hey Jay.
Come and me fuck you right now,
What? Mama! No, you look. I can't even talk, my stammer. You look on her and tell me no, I'm shut up and watch you with a little more. Bumbuckle. Why? Hey, youth. All if I you now, whole night in a youth. If me a pop me now, me a take my sister. Slow it down, man. Slow it down. Whole night in a youth. What? What's up more video? No, hey, I'm gonna go on the bed. Go on the bed. Good night. Probably post a video tomorrow morning. Anyways, go on the bed. Good night. Big up on yourself.